live from Dayton, Ohio, Mr. Mays. Say once again. Yeah. Yeah. No more light bulbs.
Oh, they use staples there.
One minute 59.
Sorry,
Well, I'm saying what it took to pull that up. Those are nice floors.
yeah, they are. They're pretty nice.
I wouldn't want to put carpet over that.
I like the.
They're trying to save them floors, ain't they?
Man, they just like cheaping it out. I wouldn't carpet this out by staple like that. Which I'm going to do the same thing, but I would get carpet.
These tags are good.
Yeah, those are good.
Yep.
Some for some reason. See those right there? You can show those on camera.
Yeah.
Those are all.
You're down 15%.
Nice stuff. So,
You're down 15%.
all right. You can go ahead and pause it or stop it. Try to stop it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so this part of the video, I'm actually comparing the knee kicker here to the Powestretcher. What I'm doing here is just setting the wall on the pins, so that way when I pull away this way where I'm posted, the carpet will actually stay on the pins and stretch the direction I'm pulling the carpet, if that makes any sense. So, from what I know, you're supposed to stretch 1% of the length of the carpet. And this room was about 11 foot 6 inches or so, but I just went ahead and rounded it up and said it was 12 foot. So 1% of 12 foot is 1 7/16, I think, of an inch, which is 16th shy of 1.5, so we just call it 1.5. And right here with the kicker, I got about 3/4 of an inch up the wall, which is pretty good because we were at 1 inch, so after I stretched it, we were 1 3/4 inches, but I don't think we caught it very well on camera. Anyway, that's pretty good, but I'm assuming there was some kind of slack in the carpet, so some of that I'm sure was slack, but nonetheless, the carpet was still pretty tight. And then here with the Powestretcher, you can see that we actually get a whole lot more. I'm remeasuring it here, and I confirm that yes, I did get that 3/4 inches. Hopefully we get a good view on this and you can see how great the stretch actually is, which I don't think we did here. I need to direct my cameraman a little bit better, so that's on me. No big deal. Yeah, here we go. We get a decent angle. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, I'm testing my stretch, so apparently I got, yeah, you can just see it's almost to the top of the baseboard. So from where we started, if you rewind the video, you'll see we were pretty much at the bottom, and now we're almost to the top of the baseboard. That's probably 4-inch baseboard, but we didn't get 4 inches out of it. You can see Maybe it's 3 inch, who knows. Maybe next time I'll trim the wall and then kick it, and then I'll take it up and power stretch it after. That'd probably be a good idea too. Yeah, right here. You can see, look at this. Just so much stretch. I'm not saying the kicker is wrong or inefficient or anything like that, because I've done plenty of jobs with a knee kicker, but when it comes to wrinkles and stuff, this is definitely going to save you. Right here, you can see there was waves in the carpet. And basically what I'm telling you is I'm going to set that right hand wall, which is currently where the door is. I'll do that whole entire wall because I've got my first stretch done next to that wall, which is my original pool, whatever. Now I'm going to set this whole wall here because when I power stretch away, even if it's just that 3 foot from, from 3 foot to the right to the corner of my next stretch, it can still swing that area up there. So I'll set that whole thing and we'll stretch right there. Obviously set that back wall. If I hadn't already, I'm not sure, but if not, it's in the video. Just watching, you'll see. And then pull away, if that makes sense. So now I got my first stretch on the width done. I'm gonna finish setting this wall. I'm gonna pop into the closet and do this area, just so it acts as if there was only a wall here and not a closet. And I'll come back when I'm done stretching and I'll put it on my sides. So we're on pins, moving tight, all that stuff. Just have to lay. Trying to keep an even stretch, like however much I take out on my first stretch, I try to do that on the rest of the job, so it's easy. I'm about to knock the house down, huh? You hear that?
Yeah.
Get that slack out. Stretch. I'm gonna move this pole just a little bit right there. Get all that stretch here. Bam, bam. Hold it back down. Right back where I started. Just move that here forward.
Oh shit.
Thank you. On the width, I don't think you necessarily want to get the same amount of stretch. I just don't think it's made that way. Could be mistaken, but I just don't think you want to. I don't think it's made to stretch as much as the length of the carpet. Yeah, that's right. Give me that stuff. Yeah, just like that.
She got fucked up. Bring it back. Like a bully.
Check stretching, pulling my hair over there. Acting up. Now, just close it. Grab this hook, this knife here. Put this back wall in. It's going to help hold to the pins. Okay. There, bro. see that? You can go ahead and look over here. Stretching that there to the corner. Same thing on this side. Then I'll put this in, and because we stretch this way, I'll stretch that way with the kicker. Some pins. That's what we got. Maybe not. There it is. So, that's it. You can